Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to go ahead and fix your new age earpods if one of the ear is not working. All right, so if one of these earpod is not working, I'm going to be showing you how to fix it. So currently, as you can see, I have two different new age earpod right here, and this trick can work for any earpod you're trying to fix. All right, if you encounter any issue in case new age decide to release a new earpod, you can always follow the same trick. It's going to work. All right, so as you can see, I said this is new age Beat King and this is new age Iron Man Mini. All right, so the first thing you want to do is to take out the earpod that's not working. Take out the earpod that is not working or is not charging. You can take it out, then also take out the earpod. I'm also going to take out the earpod that's not working for the new age Iron Man Mini. All right, so now we have both earpods that are not working. So the next thing you want to do is to make sure you get a container. And what you want to do with this container is to go ahead and pour a little spirit. All right, you can use spirit, you can also use water, but if you make use of water, it's going to be a really bad idea. Right, so it's always better for you to make use of spirits, or you can make use of water instead. All right, but if you're making use of water, make sure you make use of as very little water as possible. And the next thing you want to do is to get a cotton board. All right, to get a cotton board. So I'm going to go ahead and get my own cotton board for this video. All right, so I have my cotton board right here. So the next thing I want to do is I'll just bring one of the board out. Then the next thing you want to do is to I'll get my spirits and pour it into my container. Like I said, you can also make use of water. I'm also going to show you something. Then after that, I'm going to keep this by this. Then what I'm going to do is to dip my board into the spirit, just a little bit, dip it. Then now once the spirit is soaked on the board, what you want to do is to squeeze it, because you don't want something that is too wet. Okay, because if it's extremely too wet, then you're going to spoil the components on the earpods. All right, so you want to try as possible to avoid that. So once you have that done, so what you want to do is to looking at this earpod, you can see these two iron right here. Let me say these two gold plated charging port right here for this earpod. This is where you want to clean. All right, you want to clean this two section. I encountered this while I was trying to review one of the new age earpods. All right, so it's not charging, so I had to use this same fix to fix it up. All right, so what you want to do is to clean this. All right, so once you clean it, that's all. Then I'm going to do the same thing for the second earpod. For the second earpod, this is it. It's going to charge here, so I'm going to clean this metal right here. All right, I clean this metal right here. So now that's all. This earpod should start working. It should start working. What I'm going to do is to go ahead, then take it in, then plug it in. Now the earpod is currently low, so I'm going to go ahead and charge this earpod and it should start charging. Same thing applies for this second one. I'll go ahead and do the same thing. All right, so if I come close to the ear, you're going to notice that it's showing a light. You might not see the light, but it's currently showing a light. As you can see, it's showing a light, show that it's currently charging. Right, this is how you can actually go ahead and fix any of your new age earpod that's not working. And this one, I'm sure if I should go ahead and plug it into the lights, I'm sure it's going to work. So that's it, guys, on how to go ahead and fix your earpod. All you need is a spirit and a cotton board, and you should be able to clean the space. All right, just clean this spot, clean here and clean here, and sometimes you might be required to clean the pin for inside this earpod also. Right, so you just clean it like this. All right, so cleaning it is going to fix the issue for it to get charged. And after cleaning this pin and cleaning this pin, and you notice that it's still not charging, what I want you to do is don't open any of the components. Don't try to open it, don't try to fix anything here, just leave it like that. Then the next thing, if it's not working, if you notice that it's still not working after using the same fix, you need to go ahead and report this device back to the new age team. All right, because you have warranty. Since your warranty covers since you have about 18 months warranty in your device, or depending on the kind of warranty you have for the device, report it back to new age and they're going to give you a new earpod that is actually working. So that's it, guys, for the video. Hope you enjoyed. enjoyed the video. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe and also don't forget to like. Thanks for watching. Bye. I'll see you guys in that video.